What's good, gang? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you an explanation of a simple wash and blowout. I think it's important for many women to understand, especially black women and children, that black hair comes in many different textures, and it's very important to understand your hair texture and what it takes to maintain your natural hair. This is Sugar with the tea. Right now I'm finna drench her hair in water before I wash her hair with the Perfect Hair Vibes She Be Growing Shampoo and Conditioner Growth set. I'm going to drench her hair completely so that way when I put the shampoo on her scalp, it'll easily clean her hair and penetrate all the way through her curls. But I've been seeing a lot on Instagram, on Facebook, and stuff like that for girls who want their hair done and they want braids and they have natural hair and don't see the point of getting a blowout and think that they can just get a wash and go because they went natural. And baby, I'm sorry to tell you, but that ain't how it work. Okay, every black girl has a specific and unique texture. Some of us have the same, some of us don't. I specifically don't have 4C hair, so knowing how to work with the 4C hair has been a passion of mine. I am a natural hair care specialist and I've worked with many different textures of black hair, and I wanted to give you an informational about how to clean your scalp and the reason for having a blowout before you do any styling, along with the cost, because a lot of y'all don't feel like that you need to be charged for a shampoo and a blowout when great products cost money. But anyway, when you have different textures of hair, you need to blow out to make sure that your style will last longer. A lot of times your hair is not nappy, it's just your curls are very, very tight. And even if your hair is nappy, if your hair gets moisturized, you'll be able to detangle your hair very easily, especially when it's drenched. So let's get started. I've completely washed her hair and she's getting ready for some braids, and she, unlike me, cannot just braid her hair while it's wet. She can't have a wash and go. Her hair needs to be trained to that point. And right now what I'm doing is I'm putting some heat protectant, some She Be Growing hair oil on there, and I'm covering her hair from root to tip to make sure that she don't get any heat damage. That's the She Be Growing. I'm gonna put the She Be Growing directly on her scalp, and this is gonna give her a slick hot oil treatment and a blowout at the same time. And I think it's very important for you to understand there's no way I was going to be able to braid her hair and her hair lasts beyond 3 days with her texture of hair. So what I did is I completely washed and conditioned her hair, and I sectioned her hair off. That's what I'm doing now, sectioning the hair. And I'm going to show you all the difference between a wash and go, which is the top 2 sections, and a full blowout. So let's just get on with the video so you can see the difference of why you need a blowout. You need a blowout to ensure that your style can stay longer, to ensure that there is no extra tension to your hair and your scalp, to make sure there's no knots and tangles preventing the stylist from pulling your hair too hard. You also need thermal protection along the way, depending on what style you're going to have. For me, because I do kids hair, I always make sure I alternate the heat and cold setting. On the scalp it's like warm, but on the very tips it's very, very hot. And I alternate with a little blue button on my blow dryer. As you can see, black hair stretches, okay? It also shrinks. But the easiest way to stretch your black hair is to moisturize it properly, put some heat protectant on it, and use a blow dryer with a comb after sectioning your hair to comb your hair out. It's very important to care for your hair the right way, or you can pull your hair out from the roots. You always need to comb from the very tip all the way to the roots and comb your hair in sections, because it makes a huge difference. Can you see how long and beautiful her hair is being stretched? It will make a huge difference from me braiding this part in the back versus the other 2 sections. It will take me a lot longer to part, to organize her hair for the style. I just don't understand the hoopla about not wanting to have a blowout when you get a style knowing that you have natural hair. We're on the second section now. You can still see the benefits of having a blowout, and it's very important that you do it properly. You always use heat protectant every section, and you alternate the heat settings. As you can see, I didn't put much heat on the scalp. It's kind of a little bit still curly, but at the very end, after the complete setting is hot. So as you can see, as I went through her entire hair and sectioned it off, I'm now combing it with the blow dryer. You see the difference?
Thank you all for watching my short informational video about blowouts. As you can see, there's a huge difference from a wash and go, just braiding your hair as soon as it finishes being washed, and having a blowout. It is essential to have a blowout when you have natural hair, when you want to style it and you want your styles to last longer. You can definitely book me, get into the perfect hair vibe, and get this hair growth treatment. I'm going to put all of the items that I use in the description below, along with a link to book me. I'm in Houston. Stand up, stand up, stand up. You already know H-Town, H-Town. It wiggles down. I do kids hair, adults hair, everybody's hair. I'm a natural hair care specialist. I make hair growth products. I made the shampoo and conditioner that I used on her hair. As you can see, it's very shiny, very beautiful. It was easily detangled thanks to my Perfect Hair Vibes conditioner. And I just want to thank you for watching my video to the very end, joining my tribe, and let me know in the link below, the comment box below, what other videos you all want to see about natural hair. I'm going to be uploading these very often because there's a lot of hoopla about natural hair, and because there are so many diverse parts of natural hair, I want to be able to explain the importance and the difference between each of the textures. So like, comment, subscribe, get into the vibe, and make sure you share my videos with your friends.